Alright, so we're about to get some tequila or some tickets. And the general admission is $37 for residents and then $42 for foreigners. So here's the outside. All these things you can try. They're kind of for kids, but some of them are kind of cool. So this is the music area. Lots of different kinds of instruments you can play. So it's got a little history of the first sound recorder, which is here. It's canned music, that's what they called it. Thanks to the music recording technology developed at the end of the 21st century, music transformed into something tangible. Machines emerged that could record and reproduce sounds and also objects that contain them, such as records and photograph cylinders. That's just so cool. Just imagine, you know, before this, you could only listen to live music. That's the only way you could hear it. And then once they developed this, you could actually record sounds. That's amazing. So this part of the museum is the mind area. There's lots of different games you can play. Alright, so this is just an example of some of the mind games. You're supposed to sit on each side, not see what the other person builds. And you're supposed to explain to the next person what you built. So I built this, and I told Eric what I built, how to put it, and he did this, so actually it matched up pretty good. You can build whatever you want, and you're supposed to explain it to them what you built and how the shapes go. This is a very cool place though. It's a lot of interactive games, so it's nice if you go with somebody and you can play like one-on-one. Down there's a few games we didn't get to play yet, like chasing the cheese, to find the cheese like a maze. But we tried a lot of these. Wow, this really messes with your head. Feels like a very long night at the bar. This is wild. Wow. So it just spins so fast, it looks like they're moving. So these are different sound effects that they use for movies. Some footsteps. This is supposed to be when it rains. Here's for horses. They show different movies for each one of these different instruments. So this is supposed to be wind. Alright guys, check it out. I'm in a comic right now. So that's me in a comic right there. That's pretty cool. You guys ready to see some magic? Here we go. All this is light. That's pretty cool.
Pero lo que sucede es que ella tiene poco amperaje, entonces no tiene la capacidad como tal de matar, ya que tiene poca corriente eléctrica, pero tiene electrolitos, electrocitos, uno de esos dos. Y esas células tienen la capacidad de generar electricidad. De hecho, nosotros también, pues los seres vivos, tenemos la capacidad de generar electricidad, solo que unos más que otros. ¿No ha sentido de electricidad o física?
Y normalmente, al estar en el fondo, son animales que comen desechos, más carroñeros que el resto. Entonces van a comer lo que sobre de lo que está ahí arriba. Esa es la distribución de lo que está acostando sobre estos individuos.
Implementar a los ciervos, por ejemplo, con cuidado más concentrado, porque desde muy pequeños se les daba eso.
Mira, ahí aparece el cocodrilo.
Acá chava.
¡Te caca!
Una raya, ven por acá. Una piña con un poco de parte.
No, ¿cómo?
Es un bolito. Eres esa rana. ¿Dónde está esa rana? ¿Dónde está esa rana? Mira, ya la vi. Mira, mira, hay dos. Mira acá.
Me crucé la cabeza, ya la gorda.
¡Ay, sí! Ahí está. No más.
So this is where we come almost every night to watch some soccer games. And this is just one of many. There's one over there. There's one behind us. There's basketball games. There's volleyball. Lots of different sports to watch. The soccer's pretty fun. This one's a pretty intense game. All right, hey guys, so we were walking by, and this is Joseph, and this is called beach tennis?
Beach tennis.
Beach tennis.
Correct.
All right.
Beach tennis.
Very, very good sport.
Sí, yeah, it's very good sport and it's funny. I say funny. It's really crazy. It's on the brand, but it's cool.
It is cool, yeah. Let us know if you guys play this in your part of the world. This is in Colombia right here, and this is the first time I've seen this, so this is very cool. So we're excited to play. I think this is my new favorite sport. Especially when you play on the sand like this. It's really easy on the knees, and you can dive without worrying about getting hurt.
Eso, super, muy bien.
All right, these are all very good friends in Colombia.
Yes.
Gracias. Very friendly people in Colombia.
Bienvenidos, welcome. Oh, they scored. Ooh.